Kind of stinks a little bit still. Total labor cost was, I think, $14,000. Welcome back. We are in the Roshel house. I don't know if you guys remember this. If you do, this is the one that took forever and ever to get the individual out, but we're actually wrapping this house up. I'll show you some B-roll footage here, but painting's done, drywall's done, kitchen is done. Kitchen turned out freaking awesome. I am so excited with the gray cabinets, the black handles. We left the countertops as is. I didn't want to go too far over budget on this. So all we really need done, electrician needs to come in, plumber needs to come in, finish some stuff, and flooring. So electrical, plumbing, flooring, but the bathroom. There's no lights on in here. It kind of stinks a little bit still, but look at how this bathroom turned out. Extremely happy with this. I don't know, it smells like plumbing gas in here for whatever reason. So total labor cost on this specific job, and we're heading upstairs, we'll show you guys what this looks like. Total labor cost was, I think, $14,000. So nothing too terrible. They had to kills all the floors up here because it reeked so much like cat pee. Trim really isn't done in here. It's not the biggest of deals. We'll make sure that is done up. It looks a heck of a lot better than it does. It actually doesn't smell bad up here anymore. So overall, this is much better than I anticipated. The house, so we bought it $85,000, $86,000. We had so many months of holding costs just from the individual not moving out. We'll probably have about 30 into it. So what does that put us at? Like 120-ish, give or take. I think we can resell this 165 without any issues whatsoever. It's on just about an acre lot. So make a quick 20, 25,000 if all goes well. The only concerns I have, like some of the stuff in here is a little bit older. It's an early 1900s house, so you have those issues, of course. But the one thing, so we are going to install carpeting up here. I'm trying to figure out, and I would love all of your opinions. Drop a comment down below. Should we do all vinyl plank on this main floor? It's just kind of like very uneven, especially in this living room area. I think what we might do is carpet, plank, and then plank the rest of the house. Just because that would probably look the best. Level it out, make it look somewhat pretty. But now we're going to head over to Plover. We bought a condo about 30 minutes from here. I'm kind of brushing up against time frames. Bought a condo about 30 minutes from here. I'll show you guys the insides there. I'll grab some footage. And then later in this video, if you stay around, we'll give you an update on the bad foundation remodel. So we're doing a little bit of a voiceover on the Plover house footage just because I was uncomfortable doing a selfie while I was in there because I didn't know when the owner would get back. He's still in the process of moving, but let's check this out together. So this Plover house, it is a quad level house. Honestly, it looks way bigger than I anticipated from the exterior. And then kind of going through it, we're literally updating carpet, we're updating paint. Kitchen cabinets are in pretty darn good shape. That's access to the garage. But we are doing a strict cosmetic remodel here because otherwise we're gonna go over budget, over time frames. Bathroom needs a new vanity. Otherwise everything else is staying the same. Bedrooms, carpet, paint, smells a little bit like cat in there. But this place is honestly pretty sick. We picked it up roughly, I think 131. Probably have about 15 into it, roughly speaking. Carpet, paint, not a whole lot of work. And then planning on relisting it for right around 190,000. 4 bedroom, 2 full bath house, first floor laundry, everything like that. Okay, so we are taking a pit stop at the Wapaka storage units. We're dealing with people who are unpaid today. So I'm gonna show you what that process looks like, locking these people out, well, cutting their lock mainly, and then locking them out. So unit number 4, obviously right here behind me. We will get this baby cut off. Handy dandy lock. Let's see how this goes. Hopefully the camera will stay on me. Hey, can I call you back in a second?
Yep, okay.
Okay,
Bye.
bye. So, we have a boatload of stuff. So now what this process looks like, at least here in Wisconsin, we need to run a newspaper ad because it is more than $100 worth of valuables. I'm gonna throw one of our lock boxes on here. Yeah, that's what happens when you don't pay your stuff. You lose all of this. So that's not a good thing, but just make sure to pay your storage rent, like $69 a month. So incredibly cheap, affordable. There's a lot of shit in here. Oh well, let's check out the bad foundation house. Okay, little project update. You guys, we are climbing down. Normally, you do not climb down to get inside of a house, but that is what we are doing. As you will see in the B-roll footage, oh, this is really literally had to crawl through here. So, but here is a little status update. Wall is rebuilt. We got one wall rebuilt. This back wall is pieced in. As you can see in the video, they have the bracing up. They're gonna have to rebuild, and this lighting is terrible. But they will be rebuilding this one here, right behind me. They're taking the week off, or they took the week off. So kind of a pain in the ass there, but we're just trying to keep the heat in, everything sealed up as best we can. But it's freaking tough. Like this is, like you can see kind of the outermost part. It's all dug out. It's a brand new cinder block, so they can't backfill for like a couple weeks. But that is that. So we still got braces in. I'm gonna see if I can get some light down here, and I'll show you what they're doing on these other walls. Okay, so we got these walls are braced right here. So all they did was push this. They're gonna mortar, obviously those joints, make them look nice, but they put the beams up. They're going to do the same thing here, and we should be all plumbed out. The walls are gonna be plumb, as level as possible. And that is how you stick 40 grand into a basement in a matter of 2, 3, 4 weeks time, and then the rest of this house is gonna be done. Like upstairs is nearly complete. We'll save that for the next video, so stay tuned. Drop a comment down below. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.